Save with Crypto has to be one of the best YouTube channels that the United States has ever seen. Kamala Harris is not a subscriber, but I am. I have notifications set to all as well. I'd strongly suggest you subscribe to Save with Crypto today. Above all, you should tell your friends.
Save with Crypto is not a financial advisor. He just makes ice cream on the internet. If you can't find anyone to do your own research, you should do it yourself, like I did.
Hi, okay, yeah, it's true. I am not a financial advisor. I'm also not very good at TA, technical analysis either, so please do take everything I say with a pinch of salt. I don't know. But a lot of people are looking at things like this liquidation heat map thing here and saying there's loads of liquidity down here at 90k. That makes kind of sense to me, because I think if people were expecting 100k, then I would guess that a load of people think, well, we're not going to get that, so let's set loads of buy orders down at 90k, and that is creating the liquidity there. Is that how it works? I'm not sure. Anyway, that's what that says. So a lot of people are expecting a dump to 90k. It probably will happen, to be honest, but meanwhile, I'm looking at things like the funding rate on various exchanges. So, for example, this is BitGet, where it is 0.021. Okay, now that is about twice what it is normally. Normal is 0.01. Okay, so that implies there are more people long than short, which is not so good if you want the price to go up. If you look at Blofin, or Blofin, whatever it's called, that is similar, 0.0264. So a lot of people long there. ByBit, 0.01. You see, that's quite normal. That's quite promising, that is. This one here is Phemex. Where is it? There it is. 0.0151. So what I've noticed here is the really big ones like ByBit and Phemex, the funding rate is lower. This one is WEX that I'm trying out, and the funding rate there is 0.016, so sort of in the middle, if you like. Yeah, interesting stuff. So from looking at the funding rate overall, I would say that probably the majority of people are wrong, and we should be expecting a dump in the price. Now, what conflicts with that for me is if we go to the 30-minute chart, you can see here, you know, we've done a pretty good Bart Simpson. Sort of price has gone up. It's on the top of his head, come down, and there is your Bart Simpson. So to me, that's done. The other thing I was looking at last night was drawing a Fibonacci from that low there, which was just over 2 weeks ago, and then going up to the peak last Friday. To me, what's happened there is the price has come down and perfectly hit the 618, which is the most common thing that Bitcoin likes to come back to. And now we're almost getting back to the 382 level. And I think if we get above there, above 94,200, we should be okay. There is, of course, a chance that we might come down and bounce around the golden pocket between the 618 and the 786. So that would be something like that. Now, I think that is equally as likely. So for the moment, I would say we either do that or we do that. And that could bring us down to 88.3k. Now, one thing that would swing it slightly in the favour of going up is on this 30-minute chart. If we look at my EMAs, if you don't know what these are, look at the video that's linked at the end of this video. These are basically exponential moving averages. So the red line is a 5 EMA, cyan is a 9 EMA, the yellow is a 21 EMA, and the green is a 55 EMA. And normally when you see this cross, it's quite bullish, or very bullish normally. And these are about to cross, I reckon, either in the next candle close, which is 15 minutes, or maybe the one after, which will be in 45 minutes time. Probably when you're watching this video. Now, it might give a small pump like what happened here, or it might be a huge one like what happened here. when the price went up by nearly 10%. So I'm going to wait 40 minutes to finish this video to show you what happens there. And by the time you see this, I would definitely go to the video linked at the end of this video, set those EMAs up and closely look at the yellow and the green. Okay, so that candle did close, but they didn't cross. So the next one's going to be in 25 minutes time. I think in the interest of you guys taking advantage of this, then I should just publish the video now, and hopefully you'll see this before that happens. So I'm trading this on ByBit. I did kind of front run this idea a little bit, and I went into a little trade that's now 4.94% in profit, which is about $100. If you join ByBit with my affiliate link, so you need to go to savewith.crypto.org/ByBit, you can get up to a $30,000 trading bonus for signing up and making an initial deposit and achieving a certain trading volume. Unfortunately, you can't use ByBit in the UK unless you've got a Palo ID like I have. So more information about that by going to savewithcrypto.org/Palo. If you want to trade in the UK without doing that, you can use Blofin, which is what I'm using here, where I've got these 3 trades that are looking a little bit sad, I must admit. Now you can use Blofin in the UK. They put this extra little bit there. If you read that, it just says, you know, don't be stupid and don't put all your eggs in one basket. And I think that makes them okay. With the new offer I've got with various trading volumes that are actually quite easy to achieve, you can get a Apple Watch or a Herman Miller chair, which I'd really love, a Canon EOS R5 camera, and for people with large trading volumes, they can get things like a pile of money, Kawasaki motorbike, and a Tesla. But I think most people should be able to get the Apple Watch, because achieving a trading volume of 3 million is actually really easy. Honestly, with like a couple of grand in your account and doing an average amount of trades in a month, you'll achieve 3 million easy. So if you want to do that, go to savewithcrypto.org/Blofin. Other than that, get those EMAs set up and look out for that green-yellow cross. Good luck. Any questions, leave them in the comments down below. And please do like the video and subscribe.
Oh, hi. Yeah, this is the best crypto YouTube channel on Earth, Mars, and probably the entire universe. The channel has a full self-watching capability. This YouTube channel is so advanced that you don't need to watch it. All you do is subscribe to the channel and become instantly wealthy. If you wish, you can 2x your wealth by liking the video. If you haven't subscribed to Save with Crypto by now, you are missing out on one of the greatest opportunities known to mankind. Oh yeah, and above all, tell your friends.